Hello there, it's still January, so I am continuing the series on what to expect in 2020. This video is about the German DAX. I recently did a video on the Nasdaq, which is a US index, of course, and this is a European index. So let's see what that will bring us within the new year. And before we look into that, a quick view on the disclaimer. Make sure you understand what trading is. There are different types of trading, and make sure you know what you are getting involved in. And of course, never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. There is a learning curve also in trading. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, not at all. It's a serious business, so make sure you understand what you are beginning with. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I'll be happy to keep doing this. So before I get into the analysis part, let's remove everything from the chart. This is the monthly chart. That is where I start when it comes to analysis on the bigger time frames. We had the German DAX had its phases just like the other indexes. So let's put some information here on the chart. What do we see? We of course see this trend line over here, which is quite far for now, so I don't know if it's gonna help us at the moment. I want to get some information, I want to get some touches that make sense at this time. So this is something I would like to connect, and maybe something over here as well. We are moving in a range, we're moving to the upside, that is quite obvious. Maybe this would make the chart a little bit more complete. Okay. Well, let's put it like this. We are in an uptrend. That's quite obvious. We had our corrective moves, just like the other indexes, and at the moment we are working on a strong bullish move. Something else we want to put on this chart. If you have noticed, we had ourselves a high around here, and we are at the moment running into that level, forming a double top at the moment. But let's see on the lower time frames how price will react from here on out. Will we get a correction? Will we get a follow through? Will we push even further into this new area? So for now I'm going to the weekly chart. We had ourselves a move, a 1, 2, 3 moves, a fourth move, and then a deeper correction. And right now from here on out we are heading into a 1, 2 move with some consolidation, and the consolidation makes sense because, like we pointed out previously, this was the recent high, the all-time high. We came into that level, and we are starting to reverse from there. So let's see if we also can put some information on the chart when it comes to these levels over here. Yes, we do. This will get more clear on the daily time frame. And for now on the weekly we have of course this level over here that is acting as a support level, and quite obvious the all-time high is acting as a resistance level. So what to expect? Let's finish the video back on a bigger time frame to get a view on what to expect this year. Price has been moving in between the 12,800 or 900 level, and of course the all-time high of the 13,600. So that's the level price is moving in. I would expect, this is the trend line we drew on the weekly chart, so when we connect the dots here we can even put it on even better, just like this. If this corrects and moves lower, I'm expecting a bounce from this trend line first before getting into a trade. Again, it is near all-time high, so I am not looking for any long positions just now. I only consider going long. Let's see how I can point that out for you guys. This is the level for me where price is moving in at the moment. It's not even this big actually. Not at all. It's more well, come on, help me a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we are at this all-time high level over there. and this trend line is coming in, and this support is it's pretty far away. So the first thing it will encounter is the trend line. So if I would take trades, it's often even if I do on a monthly or the weekly chart, I at the end of the video I see in the comments that people ask me, okay, I understand where it's going now, but I want to hit buy or sell at the moment. So yeah, where can I go in? Well, that's not the way I trade. But if you want to have an understanding of where things are happening, I personally think that price is for now moving into this area, so that it will be between the 13,400 and the 13,600, so it's a 200 point move. Everything is coming back here. Definitely possible that it will reach resistance again, and vice versa. This whole circle area is where trades are going on. I would like to see a solid break of this resistance and then continuation, probably over time a retest. It's all possible. And as long as that is the case, then I would be interested in riding it further on to the upside. Even though we go in new territories, it's kind of hard to determine where to get in and get out, but that's what it is. The other way, if we break these structures, first we break the trend line and this support area, then we probably move in back into this support area. And it's that we really need more price action information to be calling this a reversal or anything in the near future. So let's stick to that for now. I'm not going to go lower than the daily time frame. There's no need for that because it's not what this video is about. I'm going to remove this this mark over here, so you understand what we are looking at. So let's go back a little bit to the weekly. Let's shift back up. Wait a minute. Okay, let's go to the monthly. In fact, that's what we want to know. What is 2020 going to bring for us? Well, like I said, if we break this this level, it's the first scenario, then we could be rallying, continue to rally as far as probably touching this this trend line on the upper side of the upward moving channel. We get a scenario like this. It could be a long bullish phase. If that is not going to happen because we are forming a double top at the moment, could also be something. I just pointed out on the lower time frame on the daily what that should look like. We really need more information for price to actually be reversing or shifting, and in that case we will be going. Let me make it as visually, as graphic for you as possible. If that's the case and resistance gets rejected, we first move back into the trend line where price has been moving in for quite a while. The ultimate support, looking at the monthly, of course, is over here, so it's way too far and it's not something that's going to happen within a few weeks. If levels break, of course we go to the upside and we will probably start moving back into the area where this trend line on the upper side of this channel is going to meet the price. Something else to if price reaches new territory, you can also put in a Fibonacci extension to see where the levels of the 38 or the 50 or the 61 levels are, and of course maybe the 100%. It will likely give you a little view on where price is likely to run into and start correcting or pulling back for new trading opportunities. So overall, I think it's for the German DAX and it's for the Nasdaq and S&P and all those things as well. Overall, it is we're in bullish territory still, even though the big moves these moves on the monthly is very strong. Of course, it's definitely not something to be expecting just now, but yeah, you know, we have ourselves this high and this high, so maybe a third smaller high is in place here. It's gonna form in this final move, but eventually I think we're actually already in overtime, so you know, trade what you see. I'm not expecting moves like these anymore because we are a little bit in overtime, and the numbers, when you listen to the radio or whatever you get your information from, you know, things starting to cool down a little bit. So but price just does what price does, so stick to the trading, stick to the plan, and eventually take money from the markets. That's what you should do. Manage your risk properly. But I'm definitely overall bullish. That's the conclusion of this video. Bullish, even if we see a pullback into recent support lines or something like that, doesn't matter. Overall, definitely bullish and at a critical level. So keep a close eye on this level here. Make sure you understand where to get in and get out when price levels get as narrow as we are seeing now. And a strong break, well, it's a strong break, and get ready for a continuation of a bullish move in that case. So that's it for now. Overall indexes, that's the point I want to make. Definitely bullish. So yeah, let's see the DAX these are great moves. I always liked to trade this because of the clear price action on these charts. Okay, that's it for now. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.